welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. NBE changes NEET PG 2024 exam pattern last minute. The last-minute changes to the NEET PG 2024 exam pattern has sparked concern and criticism from doctors, particularly under the Federation of All India Medical Association. The NBE introduced mandatory time-bound sections in MCQ-based examinations, including NEET PG, citing reasons related to enhancing exam security. However, FAIMA expressed dissatisfaction, arguing that such significant alterations necessitate adequate time for adaptation and preparation, which the current timeline lacks. FAIMA highlighted the immense pressure and time constraints already faced by NEET PG aspirants, emphasizing that the abrupt introduction of mandatory time-bound sections adds further stress and uncertainty. In a plot reminiscent of a scene from the Munna Bhai movie series, a similar scandal has unfolded in a crackdown on cheating during the NEET UG exams. Authorities in Delhi and Rajasthan have apprehended several individuals for allegedly impersonating candidates, shedding light on the pervasive issue of fraud in competitive examinations. In New Delhi, 3 individuals were nabbed for posing as fake candidates during the NEET exams at South Delhi schools. The Supreme Court is currently deliberating on whether Ayurvedic doctors should retire at the same age as allopathic doctors, following a plea filed by the Rajasthan government against a Rajasthan High Court order granting extended superannuation for Ayurvedic doctors. The Chief Justice of India, heading the Apex Court bench, acknowledged the valuable contributions of Ayurvedic doctors to society and questioned the disparity in retirement ages between Ayurvedic and allopathic practitioners. The Solicitor General of India, representing the state of Rajasthan, highlighted the logistical challenges of reinstating retired Ayurvedic doctors, especially in light of the recent ruling. The Chief Justice recognized the complex policy implications of the matter and issued a notice for further consideration. A doctor duped of rupees 3.42 crore. In yet another distressing case of cyber fraud, a 53-year-old doctor became ensnared in an online trading and investment scam, suffering a staggering loss of rupees 3.42 crore. Prompted by enticing promises of substantial profits, the doctor fell prey to the deceptive tactics employed by a suspected gang of 10 individuals orchestrating the elaborated scheme. The initial contact, disguised as a reputable firm's share trading research team member, lured the doctor with visions of lucrative returns in online trading. Further bolstering his confidence, the doctor was introduced to a WhatsApp group populated with fictitious profiles of wealthy individuals perpetually engaged in online trading. Perpetuating the illusion of legitimacy to cement trust, the fraudsters initially yielded modest profits on the doctor's investments, prompting him to pour larger sums into the venture. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.